You're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we're gonna cover that why actually students do quit the courses, do quit the things in midway, and how to avoid it, because this is a very big problem which my students, of course, you are also facing. Maybe your kids, maybe your fellow friends are doing it. So make sure to follow this video, make sure to share this video, because in this video you will be watching how to avoid it, what are the main cause and everything. In case you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Why students quit German midway and how to avoid it. Many students start learning German with excitement, but after a few weeks or month, motivation suddenly drops. Common thoughts are German is too difficult, I can't remember vocabulary, grammar is impossible, or I am not improving. The truth is, most learners face these problems. The reason why students quit midway is because they have unrealistic expectations. Many learners expect fluency in a few months, perfect speaking quickly, and fast results from reels or apps only. But the reality is, German requires patience, repetition, consistency, and long-term practice. Language learning is a process and not a race. Fear of German grammar. Students panic when they hear accusative, dative, genitive cases and then adjective endings. German grammar looks overwhelming at first, and the common mistakes are they're trying to learn everything together, and the result, confusion, stress, and burnout. How to handle grammar properly? Learn German step by step. That means learn sentence structures, then present tense, then comes modal verbs, then accusative dative case, connectors, and then you move to advanced grammar. Lack of consistency. The biggest mistakes that students do is studying too much one day and then stopping for weeks. Language learning needs regular exposure, repetition, and habit of building. 20 minutes a day is far better than 5 hours once a week. The power of daily practice. Simple daily routines such as revising vocabulary, doing listening, reading, and speaking practice, and doing short grammar revision. These small daily efforts create long-term improvement because consistency beats motivation. Another mistake which students do is they compare themselves with others. Social media creates unrealistic expectations. You usually see fluent speakers, fast success stories, and German in 6 months videos, but you don't see years of practice, mistakes, frustrations, and slow progress. And remember, everyone learns differently, so you don't have to compare yourself to others. Fear of speaking. Many students, they understand grammar, they know exact grammar, and they know vocabulary as well, but they are afraid to speak, and the reason is they have fear of mistakes, embarrassments, pronunciations anxiety, and lack of confidence. Now here comes the important truth. Mistakes are necessary. You cannot learn a language without mistakes. And remember, mistakes means you are trying, you are practicing, and you are improving. Speaking imperfect German is better than staying silent. Studying without enjoyment. Many students only memorize grammar, cram vocabulary, and solve exercises. And this means learning becomes boring. And the results to this are loss of interest, mental exhaustion, and quitting midway. Make German fun. Try German songs, German movies, German reels, simple stories, podcasts, then journaling in German and speaking with friends, because enjoyment increases consistency. Then comes the important part, how to avoid quitting German. So some practical tips are set small goals. That means try to learn 10 words only instead of 50 and practice 15 to 20 minutes every day. Then focus on improvement. Perfection is not important over here. Build a routine. That means Same time daily helps consistency. And track your progress. That means you have to notice your improvement over the time. Motivation versus discipline. Motivation changes every day, but discipline keeps you going even when you feel tired, progress feels slow, and learning becomes difficult. And remember, successful learners continues even on difficult days.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. I hope now you're having the solution how to avoid it and everything. Do share, do follow, do subscribe German Gyan, and we'll catch you in the next one. So then keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.